Hi, this is Christina. I'm here to introduce the Milestone 4 Proof of Achievement video for the Cloud Native Blockchain Archive node by Blink Labs. Now, Milestone 4 implements data pruning and transparent data proxying. It adds production-facing archive node behavior by implementing transparent proxying for immutable block data and pruning support for immutable data storage. Together, these capabilities let nodes offload historical immutable data access through an archive node path while reducing local disk requirements, making the cloud native archive architecture operationally practical at scale. There are two outputs for Milestone 4. I'm going to go ahead and go to our GitHub project board. The first one is to develop transparent data proxying for immutable block data, and the second is to implement data pruning for immutable data. We can explore each output now. And the first one is issue number 335, which is to develop transparent data proxying for immutable block data. We can scroll down and see the pull request. And go ahead and over to pull request 1, which is to introduce the initial Bark protocol with archive proxy. This PR demonstrates completion of the protocol layer milestone work for transparent proxying of immutable block data by defining and documenting the archive proxy API, including signed URL block retrieval, and shipping the generated integration stubs needed for implementation across components. And we can scroll down and we see the description by two different AIs. And you can see that we do use AI to help us with our code review and provide feedback. We make changes as requested. And you get down to the very bottom, you can see that we are peer reviewing these. And right here, you can see where this developer approved these changes so the other developer could merge his commit. All of our reviews are peer reviewed right now. All right, I want to go on to the next one, which is implement data pruning for immutable data. I have that ticket open right here. And similarly, if we scroll down, we can find the associated pull request, which I have open right here. And this is to add pruner to delete blocks outside of safety window. And this one right here demonstrates the implementation of Bark's immutable data retention controls by adding a background pruner that deletes block blobs outside the configured security window, wiring it into node startup shutdown, and enforcing safe periodic pruning behavior with validation and error handling. And again, you can see summary by two different AIs. And you can see where we work with the AIs, they give reviews, we make some changes. And if we scroll down to the bottom, once again, you can see where these changes were approved by another developer so that this developer could merge his commit. So at this stage, Milestone 4 delivers transparent immutable data proxying and immutable data pruning capabilities, enabling archive node workflows that reduce local storage burden when paired with the archive node. So in our next and final closeout video, we will provide a live end-to-end demonstration of these capabilities in operation, including immutable data proxy retrieval and pruning behavior in the archive node workflow. Thank you very much.